Today we are going to discuss how to configure or install a WebDriver in your machine. So how to configure WebDriver in your machine. So how to configure WebDriver, we need Java, that means JDK 1.6 or higher versions. Okay, the first thing is your machine should contain Java, otherwise you have to download this Java JDK from internet by going to, I'm opening browser, just download Java JDK 7 or 6 or like this. Okay, you click 7, it shows you the first link oracle.com Java SC. Okay, so downloads, here you'll be having Java download. Just click download here. Okay, it will show you the license. You need to accept this license, and for which machine you want to use. If you are Windows machine, if you are using Windows x64, you have to use x64. If you are using any Linux machine, you can use this Linux machine versions, and if you are using Solaris OS, then you can use Solaris thing like this. You can download respective Java JDK version. So once you downloaded it, you have to install it. So just click next. It will get installed in your program files. Like, I'll open and I'll show you what is already installed in my machine. So C drive, by default it will show you this path, program files, Java. Here I have JDK and JRE. Once you install JDK, it includes JRE as well. No need to install JRE explicitly. So you'll be having all these things, bin and lib folders, all these things. Okay, so once you install Java, so you have to set class path. So how to set class path? Just go to computer. I'm using Windows 8.1. So if you are using any Windows 7 or something, you will be having directly computer properties. Okay, here I have advanced system settings. So right click on your my computer or something and advanced system settings, and go to environmental variables, and here you have just search for path. So once you install, if you want to run your Java, you have to give your path, java.exe path here. So I gave, like, I'll copy this path, edit. Okay, I'll show you what I mentioned here, whether I mentioned my Java path here or not. So clips, here I have my path, C drive, program files, JDK. Okay, let me show. Where is that path? This is my path. Sorry. Here I have it. C drive, program files, Java, JDK, and bin. In bin folder I have java.exe. So this we have to give as your Java path once you install your thing. Then you have to check whether it is running or not. So just open command prompt. Here just type Java. Okay, it will show like this, splash, Java agent, all these things. That means Java is installed in your machine. Okay, to check your Java version, you just need to have Java C version. Okay, it will give you a Java version currently running on your machine. So Java, which version I'm using, 1.8, right? So it is displaying my version. Like this, you have to configure Java. Once Java is configured or Java is installed in your machine, So what you have to do, you have to download Eclipse. Okay, again Google, so Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse download. So here you have Eclipse downloads link, and just go to this link and download your Eclipse here. Okay, based on your version, you click this and your Eclipse will get downloaded. Okay, just click this. I have already installed Eclipse. You just click Eclipse download. So if you click this link, then that will get downloaded. Okay, so like this you can download your Eclipse zip. It will be a zip file. Okay, so you have to extract it. Once you extract, it will display like, I'll show you how it displays. Where is my Eclipse? I kept here. So I just extracted this Eclipse zip file. It became folder in Eclipse. I have Eclipse, so you have to use this eclipse.exe. So once you click, this will open your Eclipse. Okay, so like this you have to install your Eclipse. So one more thing we required is Java. Second thing here we required is Eclipse. Okay, you can have different versions in Eclipse, Helio, Lunars, Juno, all these versions. You can use any of your Eclipse. It is your wish. Okay, and the third one is Selenium Java client. It's a jar file. You can download it from Selenium main site. So Selenium main site is seleniumhq.org is a main site of your Selenium. So here you have download option. So just click download. Here will be having Java. See, Selenium client here we have, right? Webdriver language bindings. So you have different languages. So just download Java. So as we are using Java programming language to write our script, Webdriver script, we have to download this Java clients. Once you click download, that jar file will get downloaded. Okay, and that is also a jar file, right? So it will be displayed like this. Okay, so this is a zip file. You have to extract it. Okay, if you extract, it will display some lif folder. Under that you will be having all jars. All these are Selenium libraries. Okay, so to run your WebDriver script, you need this file. This is mandatory. So, and you have to add these jars as well. I'll show you how to add these things. So once this is got downloaded, you just keep this folder, Selenium folder, Java client in some folder. Okay, and open your Eclipse. I'm going to open my Eclipse. So C drive, where I have Eclipse, Selenium lib, right? Here I have Eclipse. So open Eclipse. Eclipse is going to open. So for the first time it will ask for your workspace. If you are already using workspace, it will display your workspace first, current workspace. I'm going to use new, right? So for the first time you will be having some new workspace. So I'll do, I'm selecting the C drive and putting some Webdriver, okay, Webdriver workspace. I put Webdriver workspace as my workspace folder. So select this and click OK. So you'll be having C Webdriver workspace as your workspace. Once you click OK, then Eclipse will get launched. Okay, so it is launching. So see, all the things are getting loaded. You can see loading Eclipse, loading all Eclipse related files will get loaded while Eclipse starting. So it will display by default like this. Okay, so Eclipse will get display like this by default. So all these things are not required. You just need to click your workbench. So whenever you select workbench, it will show you Project Explorer and some blank sheets that like Notepad. Okay, so what you have to do once you started your Eclipse, you just need to create one project. New, under file menu you will be having new option. Here you will be having Java project. As you are working on Java, so you have to select Java project. So what is my project here? Webdriver testing, right? I am putting Webdriver test. Okay, this is my project, WebDriver testing. I put WebDriver testing. So project name is WebDriver testing. So I'm using Java SC 1.8, right? So by default it takes whatever is currently running. Okay. Now project is got created. With the project, you'll be having SRC and JRE system libraries. By default, these libraries or these jar files will get added once you create your project. So what you have to do, you have to create one package after creating your project. In your project, you have to create one package. I am putting package name as some pack1, okay, or pack. You can put pack as well. It is your customized name. So I am creating it and finishing it. So package got created under SRC folder, source folder. So once you created package, you have to, right? You have to create class. Okay. So you have to create class some sample. I am putting sample class I am going to create. So once you put your name, class name can be anything, and click finish. So class got created, and by default your package and class name will get displayed. Okay. Now what we have to do to configure your WebDriver, you just need to add your Selenium jars, Selenium Java client jars. So just right click on your project. Here will be having build path, configure build path. If you click this, properties for WebDriver, your project window will get opened, and you can directly open properties by right click and properties. Both are same when you are right clicking on your project. So select Java build path and go to libraries here. So you need to add those jars, right? So just click add external jars. So where my jars are available in extracted Selenium Java client, right? This is not extracted. So I am going to that extracted folder. Where it is? Here I have this extracted Java client folder, the same folder which is extracted. We have to extract it before using it. Otherwise all Java files will not get added. Under lib folder, I need to select all and just click open. So they got open, and still two more are pending, right? Those two more jars also needs to be added. So just go back. Here will be having two more jars. Select this and open. Okay. So all client related jars are Selenium library got added to your project once you click OK. So like this you have to add your jars. So once that is added, you will be having reference library folder here. So here you will be having all those jars whatever you added in Selenium Java client jars. Okay, like this you have to configure. Now what you have to do? So this is the configuration of your WebDriver. So you can write test script, any WebDriver test script now. Okay, so we'll see that writing sample script in the next class.